Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegedunia.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs, and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give a brief introduction about yourself, ma'am.
Hi Dhaval, this is Dr. Anjali Kumar. I am into the education line from last 14 years. Prior to that, I was with the health insurance sector. I'm a health economist by profession, and my journey has started. I've done my MBA into healthcare and hospital administration, and then I went ahead and did my master's into economics and then PhD into health economics. And that's what have been my journey into education last 14 years with higher education into the healthcare domain, and I have seen ups and downs in this industry, and I am really passionate about this industry, and I think a lot of your viewers would be interested in this industry as well.
It was really nice knowing about you, ma'am, and your experience. Can you give us a brief overview of the healthcare industry?
Sure. The healthcare industry is increasing at a CAGR of 22%, and with the increasing burden of disease, the healthcare industry is only going to grow because as much diseases are going to be there, you will need healthcare facilities, you will need doctors, you will need healthcare professionals, pharmaceuticals, IT companies to deal with your healthcare requirements. Nowadays, home healthcare, telemedicine is in boom, and we all saw during COVID how these telemedicine have helped us to take medications sitting at home and still being connected with our doctors. A lot of innovation is happening in this industry. The industry is growing manifold, and even the requirement of people in this industry is growing manifold.
What is PGDM Healthcare Management at Welingkar Institute?
When we talk about healthcare, honestly, everybody thinks that healthcare is only about hospitals and pharmaceuticals. Here we come at V School's PGDM healthcare program that we are saying healthcare is just not hospitals and pharmaceutical, but it is much broader a prospect. Healthcare is about technology. IT companies are into healthcare. Insurance, health insurance is a big domain which is booming in India as of now. From being a push industry, it has now become a pull industry when it goes to the market penetration. You have medical devices coming into picture. You have CSR and NGO activities which is into the healthcare. The space and the spectrum of healthcare is very big. Analytics is something which is coming into it. Innovation into healthcare is coming, and that's where PGDM healthcare programs enters into this domain, providing spectrum of knowledge and spectrum of opportunities into the healthcare sector and in the entire healthcare domain.
Do you have any extracurriculum activities or program to enhance the skill of students to expose them to the real world challenges?
If I have to talk about the program and the curriculum, 25% of our curriculum has practical learning. When I say practical learning, the moment a student enters into the healthcare program, we have something called as industry immersion. After that, students go for a field visit for the hospitals and also for the retail pharma field visits. They also go for pharma plants visits and medical devices plants visits. We also may ensure that students are doing a lot of live projects to understand this industry, because this industry is growing and changing every now and then. So to keep yourself abreast with the industry, you need to be in the field to understand the pulse of the industry. So these are some of the activities which V School PGDM healthcare program offers. Apart from there is the moment you enter into the program, you get a buddy for yourself from your senior batch of students who will help you and help you to adjust into your new management education journey. You also get a mentor from a faculty side who will be there for you and will be guiding you throughout your 2 years of journey, and make sure whatever plans you have for your future to kind of attain those plans. Apart from all of it, there is a new initiative which the program has taken, which is called as Samavesh, which is peer-to-peer learning. So students become and pick up topics, the upcoming topics into the healthcare program and healthcare industry, and they teach it to their batchmates. This helps them to even enhance their vocab and their knowledge about the industry. Not only this, we also do a lot of assignments which are video-based assignments, and we encourage students to write articles, papers and case study of faculties, and that makes a difference. So students are just not consuming content which is available, but they're also creating content for the healthcare industry.
What is a suitable profile for the candidate for the program?
Diversity is something which I'll call when it comes to healthcare program. From the intake perspective also, we look at the diverse background of students because that's a need of the hour. We do have the ideal candidates would be from the medical side and from the pharmaceutical side, but we also encourage engineers to be part of the program. But because when we talk about IT, healthcare, analytics in healthcare, company demands engineers to be from the program. So we have engineers into the program. We also have life sciences background students. We have general graduates as well. Apart from that, biomedical engineers and biomedical life sciences people are also an ideal candidate for the program. But by saying this, I should also mention one thing. If you are interested into the healthcare industry, you should definitely be part of this program.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students, ma'am?
Healthcare industry is people's industry. If you ever thought of making any difference in somebody's life, then absolutely this is a career to be in and this is a profession to be in, because you are touching millions of lives, be it being into a hospital, into a pharma company, IT company, health insurance company, medical devices company. So you touch millions of lives when it comes to healthcare sector, and if you're looking at that, making a difference in someone's life, then definitely this should be an option for you.
It was a pleasure talking to you and interviewing you, ma'am, on Thoughts on Education. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am.
Thank you so much.